Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video we'll see how to set billing alert, budget alert, and also we'll see cost explorer in the AWS. So if you are using AWS free trial, you must know these things. So without any delay, let's get it started. So I'm in the AWS console right now. Here you have to go on the account, then you have to go to the billing preferences. Here you can set the alert. So I have already done. So just click on edit, put your email address, then click on update. Then you will get a notification like this, and also do a lot for the PDF invoices. So you will get a lot with the free tier AWS account, and also for the cloud watch and with the PDF here. And for the budget, I have already created one budget which tell me that if it exceed $10, then it will send me a alert. So for that, just click on create budget, then use a template, monthly cost. Just put like $10 or $15 like that, and put your email address here. Then you will get notification on three cases for the actually spend of 85% and the 100%. And if it going to be 100%, then click on create budget. Then budget alert will be created. And for the cost explorer, in this part, you will see how much money you have spent in AWS in average monthly cost, and also by the monthly wise, how much has been spent. So these are the three things you need to know in the AWS if you are using the free tier account, so that you don't spend money and you don't get surprise bills. Thank you for watching the video. I'll see you in another video.